Hi guys, my name is Naomie Delva. Some may know me as Naomie the Beauty Nurse because I help to bridge the gap between health and wellness in beauty. I've actually been into beauty my whole entire life, and when my grandmother got ill, it forced me to really focus on my registered nurse program so that I can be able to properly take care of her. And in that program, I was able to really understand how beauty is directly linked to health and wellness. I am super thrilled and excited to get to work with VagiBIOM because VagiBIOM has taken time, extensive time and research. These scientists, backed up by gynecologists, has placed time to bring us great wellness products that helps us with our overall vaginal health, which is directly linked to our beauty. I'm super excited to bring you latest products that we have here at VagiBIOM and latest product that we have here at BIOM that can benefit you as a woman and literally help take your beauty to the next level.